హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు ఆర్టీవీ నేను మీ దీప్తి. లైలా క్యారెక్టర్ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉన్నా కూడా ఆడియన్స్ తన వైపు చూసుకునేలా చేసిందంటే ఆకాంక్ష ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ స్పెషల్. టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆకాంక్ష హియర్. హలో, హౌ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ టుడే?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So you're basically from Gurgaon, right?
Yes.
So how you feel like being in Hyderabad?
I love Hyderabad. I love the people over here, the food.
Okay.
Everybody is very accepting and welcoming, and I always wanted to do work over here, so I'm very, very
So
happy.
this is your first Telugu movie?
Yes.
So how do you feel?
Very excited.
Okay.
Little nervous,
Mhm.
and but more than that, I'm very excited.
So first, when director approached you for this movie, what basically you liked the storyline?
So it was a very unusual concept, and the Vishwak is, then
Yeah,
getting into
the-
the lady get-up. And I was a very macho character, like I was very
Okay.
tomboyish. So that is something that really interested me, that it's not the regular heroine wala role. It's,
Okay.
quite different.
Okay.
So yeah.
So the hero here, it's a dominating character, like a lady-oriented character. You being in a heroine in this movie, so how do you feel? Do you feel like it's dominating, like your character, or what?
I don't think so. It's because right now the film is not out and people are not seen so much of my character. But I feel like every character that's in this movie is equally important. From Abhimanyu sirs to mine to Vishwak's to, like, I think we all are adding and cohesively making this film what this film is. And yeah, I don't think there's anybody dominating, but we're all coming together to make a good project.
Okay. Till now, Vishwak Dunn has like a mass characters and hero-oriented characters. Now, first time he's doing a lady-oriented character. So, how do you feel when you saw him first time? In a lady getup.
Yeah, I didn't recognize him.
Okay.
I thought it's some lady sitting next to me, and my team told me that it's Vishwak.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, do you give any suggestions to him, like lady that
Yeah.
smile and walk kind of
Ari,
thing?
he was so good himself. Like I think from his team, ladies around him, maybe from me, I don't know, but he picked it up very well.
Mhm.
Like with his hair, he used to do this, and he was very on point.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, this is your first Telugu movie. So, how do you feel? Ela anpichindi, like dialogue delivery and all. How do you feel?
So నేను నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను, and
It's so cute, your Telugu.
थैंक यू. मैंने सारे अपनी डायलॉग्स लर्न कर लिए थे पहले ही, एंड ऑन सेट देन माय डायरेक्टर knew what he wanted from me.
Mhm.
So he used to tell me expressions wise also that do it like this, and
Okay.
take this dialogue with this expression. So I think that way he really helped me out.
So, what is your interesting experience, like or memorable experience in this shoot?
I think my first day when I started with an action sequence, and it was like an akhada
Okay.
with, what an akhada is that
It's in Hindi word.
it's an Hindi word, but it is an akhada. Okay, it's but basically kushti fighting.
Oh, okay.
That kind. So I was picking girls and flipping them in the air, and all of that stuff. So it was very interesting.
Okay. So, tell me about your director. So, how helpful he is in this movie?
Very, very.
Because you have first time learning Telugu and you will have difficulty in doing acting,
Correct,
right?
correct. So no, my director garu చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు, అండ్ डायलॉग्स कैसे डिलीवर करना है, कैसे एक्सप्रेस करना है, and he's very young, so we it was a very young energy on set, and it all was very easy going. ऐसा लगा नहीं कि पहली बार काम कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे.
So, what about the producer?
His house sir is extremely sweet. He's very sweet, very calm, chala patient, and yeah, I'm very fond of him.
Okay. So, basically, you are interested in acting from since childhood, or you
Yes.
developed in between?
I always loved performing.
Okay.
I loved being in front of the camera and dancing and acting, but I didn't realize कि ये भी कुछ acting भी कुछ हो सकता है, because in North India all you think about is doctor or being an engineer. You never think of acting as like a
Education,
main
yeah.
career.
Mhm.
So while I was growing up, then my mom and I kind of realized that okay,
So
this
acting is your...
acting is my...
So other than this Telugu movie, what is your first movie? ఏం యాక్ట్ చేశారు, ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో?
I did my first film in Kannada, and it's called Trivikrama. It released around COVID, but it's a beautiful film, and I'm doing 2 Hindi films right now, and this is my first Telugu. Yes.
So this is yet to be released movie, first Telugu movie.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
So can you tell me about the music director and music?
Leon James sir is the music director of the film, and our director also used to be a music director, Ram sir. So the music of the film came out even better because our director already knew what he wanted, and Leon sir and I've always loved his music, and with Ichikundam Baby and Rathamma, I think they've killed it. I listen to both the songs all day. They're my favorites, even Sonu Model. So I'm really happy with how the music has turned out.
సో ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు ఎలాంటి రోల్స్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు ఇన్ అ మూవీ? వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్స్ యూ వాంట్?
I would definitely want to play a strong woman, kind of, yes,
Okay.
a warrior princess, or you know, period drama film, something like that.
Do you have any dream role or character like that?
Yes, when I watched Padmavat, I wanted to,
Okay.
but in my Hindi film, I'm playing something like that. So
Okay.
that dream is getting fulfilled. But I would still want to keep doing stronger female-oriented roles. Yes.
So coming to heroes, which hero you want to work in Telugu movie?
I think everyone. I'm
Okay.
a big fan of Ram Charan sir, Allu Arjun sir, NTR sir. I think it will be a dream come true if I get to work with any of them.
So Akanksha, what is your education background? ఏం చదువుకున్నారు మీరు?
I studied architecture.
Okay.
I come from a non-filmy background, so
Okay.
obviously it was very obvious in the family that I will end up doing engineering or you know something like that. So then I chose architecture and thought maybe with architecture I'll be able to balance acting, but I was very wrong, because architecture is lot of physical work, you know.
Then how do you develop interest in acting?
I was always a dramebaz while I was growing up.
You participated in any dramas?
Yes,
or...
in lot of, like in theatre, in
Oh.
yes, in dance competitions my mom used to take me for. In school I would always be involved in extracurricular activities.
Okay.
So then
Okay. Then coming to movie, what do you want to tell about Vishwak Sen? Because you know he's a co-actor for you. So what do you want to tell about him?
I think he's a multi-talented artist. He directs, he acts, he writes, and he's extremely humble, and that Maska Das image is there, but he's also very grounded, and he's extremely helpful when it comes to you know, delivering my scenes also.
So what did you learn from him in acting?
I think he lives in the moment. He starts living that character on screen. You know, whatever character he's playing, he starts living that character. So that's something that I learned from him.
So can you tell me briefly about this Laila character?
Leila is she's there to shock you. Like, she will shock you at every given point. It's very unpredictable. You will not be able to guess ki, okay, now this is going to happen. So be prepared for all the shocks and all the fun. Yeah.
So what exactly the point you like in this story? Like, I want to act this movie, so I like this point. So which point?
I think because the heroine's character was not a regular heroine character. And it's a very massy love story.
Okay.
And I wanted to always connect with the masses, you know. So I thought that this is a good opportunity to connect with the
So
audience.
do you know singing?
I like singing. I love singing a lot, but I don't think I'm a good singer.
Okay. In future you want to try?
I'll sing my song.
Okay.
సుక్కలకు కట్టుకొని సిటిపోయే రైక తుడిగి అద్దమూల something like that. It's my Rathamma.
You
Thank
can
you
try
so
in
much.
future.
Maybe.
Yeah. So how about dance? You feel comfortable? I mean, basically you're a dancer or what?
No, I love dancing. I never learned dancing so much, but it's in my cocoon. It's in my blood. My mom loved dancing when she was younger also. So yeah, I would want to work with Ramcharan sir, with Allu Arjun sir, with NTR sir, and maybe be able to dance with them will be outstanding.
So in future, where Akanksha you want to be?
I want to be working, and I want to be doing characters that really fulfill my creative. No, wait. I'll say this again. In the future, I want to keep working, keep getting opportunities, and keep and be satisfied with all the work that I'm doing. Because I just want to make sure that I am giving my best, and I don't want to have any regrets that I didn't try this, maybe I should have done this better. So yeah.
So what's the funny things you remember in the shoot with Vishwak Sen or a director? What kind of funny things you remember?
So funny was mainly when he came in the lady get-up and his romance with the other villain. That was extremely funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, and once again congratulations for your future projects.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఆ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.